what's up everybody? It's Ty with Montana Outlaw Barbecue coming back to you with another Montana Outlaw Cocktail Hour. Today, we're going to be making Churchill's breakfast. This one I found just scrolling around the internet, never heard of it, thought it looked good, I made it, it's delicious. I want you guys to know about it so you can make it. Let's talk about the history of the drink a little bit. It was rumored that Winston Churchill used to have a cigar and whiskey every morning with breakfast. So this drink is kind of a nod to him and that kind of tradition that he had. And so it puts together all the great things that we love, which is whiskey, coffee, maple syrup, some bitters, cinnamon sticks. You put that all together, it makes for an amazing cocktail. So let's talk about what we're gonna use in it. We're gonna use today Kentucky Owl bourbon whiskey, or rye whiskey. It's a great rye whiskey, has a lot of flavor, a lot of that spicy nose, 11 years old. We have espresso. We like to kick up the caffeine a little bit. You can use cold brew coffee if you don't want an espresso shot in it, but we go ahead and use a good espresso. Then we use maple syrup. Use any maple syrup. We're using a bourbon barrel-aged maple syrup because, I mean, why not? Bourbon on bourbon is always a great thing. And then Angostura bitters. Let's go ahead and assemble it. The first step to this cocktail that we're gonna do is we're gonna torch a cinnamon stick and we're gonna smoke our glass. How are we gonna torch it? We're gonna use this awesome torch here from Legendary Chef. Thank you guys for sending this over. It's been a great tool. Make sure you go and check these guys out. Take your torch, light it. Let's burn the end. We want to get that smokiness. You'll get a cinnamon smell off of that. And it's going to add to that kind of smoked cocktail phase that's going on right now. So you get it to where it's good and hot. We'll just flip that glass over, capture all that smoke. You'll see that smoke riding in there. While that's doing that, let's go ahead and assemble our cocktail. Get your shaker full of ice. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces of your rye whiskey. In. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of your coffee. We're gonna do 1/4 ounce of your maple syrup. And man, I can just smell that cinnamon stick burning. So many good flavors there. 1 dash Angostura bitters. Get that all together, let's shake it up. Shake it for about 15 seconds. Okay, we're good and shook up. It's gonna give it kind of a velvety texture. Think of like cream in your coffee. Pour your cup over. We're gonna serve it neat. Single strain. Take your cinnamon stick. We're gonna grate a little bit of fresh cinnamon right on top. And then take your end and stir. That right there, Churchill's breakfast. You want some? Cheers. Oh, yeah. Bye-bye mimosa. We got a lot more on tap that we're gonna do, so make sure you hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel so you don't wanna miss it.
So make sure you check our Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Don't forget to visit our webpage. You can get our rubs, our merchandise, check out the latest news and videos that we have coming out.